you recently registered your RYOBI line trimmer online. This video will show you some important maintenance procedures and handy tips to help you get the most from your product. You will at some point need to replace the trimming line inside your spool. To do this, line up the arrows on the head with the eyelets. Feed between 4 to 6 meters of new trim line through until it's even in length, with around 3 meters on both sides. Twist the spool housing clockwise, as indicated by the arrow on the top of the casing, until the line is the same length as the cut-off blade. To replace the bump knob, loosen the knob by turning clockwise, then replace with a new bump knob by turning anti-clockwise. Here's a few tips on how best to use your trimmer. Trim line will eventually be worn down. This is a bump feed trimming head. To release more line, simply bring the head up to full speed and bump gently on the grass to release more line. Do not bump on a hard surface such as concrete, this may damage your unit. Adjusting the diameter of your cutting path is useful to maximize efficiency under different circumstances. To adjust the cutting path, just remove the screw holding the cut-off blade, rotate the blade 180 degrees and then retighten the screw. Also be aware that increasing the size of your cutting path will reduce the runtime of the unit. Here's a handy tip for when you have some tall grass to cut down. Work from the top to the bottom, cutting down the grass progressively in tiers. For more information about the range of RYOBI tools available, visit our website.
RYOBI, a cut above.